Now let's take a look at the admin experience. What we're looking at is a pre-built real-time dashboard. What's nice about it is that we're able to consume metrics from all different service channels, messaging included, all in one place. As you saw earlier, CSAT can now be collected in messaging channels too, and it's included in the CSAT calculation we see within the dashboard. We can also observe that messaging volumes are pretty high right now. We've set the conversation in queue tile to turn orange to alert us when conversations have exceeded a certain threshold. So, what's going on? Digging into the data more, it looks like lots of customers are messaging us about how to download shows onto their devices. We're going to look at how we can turn that insight into action using our new Flow Builder tool. We're going to use AnswerBot to automate this inquiry to take the load off your team. When you build out a flow, it's basically a visual representation of a conversation between AnswerBot and your end user. As we saw earlier, we've noticed people often message Streamer asking for help downloading a show. So what we want to do is go into our tech support branch and add a fourth option, or quick reply, to deal with this. Let's add another one here now, how to download content. So now we can see the new branch, and we're going to need to go and click on it in order to configure it. We can choose from one of four steps. You can either send a message, show Help Center articles, you can keep branching out your flow with even more options for self-service, and you can also collect data that you'll need for troubleshooting, like username or email address, anything you want actually, before passing that conversation over to an agent for further troubleshooting. We know we've got an article that addresses the downloading issue that we're getting lots of inquiries about. When we go to this step, we can actually add an optional message we want to come before our article suggestion. Then, when we search for whatever Help Center article it is we want to present to the end user, found it. So let's add it in here. We can actually present up to 6 article suggestions within the same step. Once we have everything set up and we're happy with our flow, we can preview it one last time to make sure it looks good. Next is the very satisfying moment when we click on Publish, and just like that, we've updated our flow to deflect a common question, giving customers faster support while increasing efficiency at the same time. By the way, you can easily deploy the flow you just built in one of 17 different languages with just a few simple clicks. Using Flow Builder with AnswerBot is as easy as that. One great thing about Zendesk messaging is that you don't have to choose between getting up and running quickly or delivering a customized experience. You can actually do both. If you need a little more flexibility than what's available out of the box with Flow Builder and AnswerBot, we've got you covered. We give developers tools to customize every detail of the experience with our messaging platform, Sunshine Conversations. Sunshine Conversations gives you the tools to deliver personal experiences for every customer. You can do things like add bots, automations, integrations, or even send proactive messages on social channels. You can also connect messaging to any piece of software or business system you use to run your daily operations. Imagine all the possibilities that this unlocks. Let's say that streamers decided to enhance the service experience by embedding their streaming platform into their messaging channels. Now they're able to deliver Zoe a carousel of movie suggestions based on her personal preferences, which are being pulled from data recorded inside streamers' backend systems. Some of these movies are premium content, so she's going to need to buy or rent in order to stream them. This is no problem whatsoever. With Sunshine Conversations, you can add integrations like a payment processor so Zoe can go about unlocking the movie she wants and paying for it without ever having to leave the conversation. As you can see, Zendesk messaging gives businesses of all sizes the flexibility to deploy it based on their individual needs. You can get started right out of the box and build flows yourself in a matter of minutes, and you can use our platform to customize and personalize to your unique business needs all in one place. Today, we showed you how Zendesk messaging is the future of service. It's convenient for your customers, offering continuous conversations across web, mobile, and social channels so that customers never have to repeat themselves. It makes things faster for your customers and agents using bots and integrations that you can quickly set up with ease. Messaging also leverages customer data to create rich, interactive, and personalized conversations tailored to their specific needs, no matter if you have one customer or a million.